Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be talking to you guys about the two legendary pets that you can get from the gem egg and grow a garden. So the first one being the amethyst beetle. Sorry, I just did a video on topaz snails, but no, this is the amethyst beetle. Um, the ability is that it occasionally initiates a battle with another player's beetle. If your beetle wins, you get a reward. The higher level and heavier the beetle, the more likely it is to win. So you are going to have more than one beetle in your garden if you want a reward because they'll only battle another player's beetle. So oh, does that mean oh my gosh, no, the other player has to have a beetle. So maybe you can trade with them and give them a beetle if they don't have it, and you can battle with them. The next one being the luminous, sorry, it's called the emerald snake. I think I put like my um my pet chart on it. That's why it looks like this, but it doesn't usually look like this. Basically, it is a gem carver, and its ability is that it occasionally goes to a random fruit in your garden and converts it into a random gem themed cosmetic. So it's going to give you a cosmetic. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.